right, we're ready to get started with our circle time. We're going to start by standing up on our square and saying the Pledge of Allegiance. Right hand on our heart, eyes are on the flag, and we say, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Same hand goes to our side. I say, I am somebody. I will succeed. In school and life, I will achieve. Let's join together to work and share. Let's show the world we care. At Woodbridge ECEC, we are a team. At Woodbridge ECEC, we will reach our dreams. All right, let's take a look at the calendar. It is May, and it is May 14th, 2021. Let's figure out what day of the week it is. Here we go. We're going to sing our song. Let me hear ya.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
No,
Days of the week.
that's one.
Days of the week. Days of the week.
There's Sunday and there's Monday. There's Tuesday and there's Wednesday. There's Thursday and there's Friday. And then there's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
Days of the week.
Days of the week. Your turn.
It's Sunday and Monday. It's Wednesday and Thursday. It's Friday and Friday. And then it's Saturday. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week. Days of the week.
All right, and today is Friday, May 14th, 2021. Remember, we have 3 of everything, so we'll have 3 suns, and then 3 kites, and 3 suns back and forth. So we have to have 3. So let's count together. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. So I'm done with suns. Now I need a kite. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. I have 3 kites. Now I go back to suns. 1 sun, 2 suns, 3 suns. Now I'm on to kites. How many kites do I need? 3. Let's see. 1 kite, 2 kites, 3 kites. Now I'm on to suns. 1 sun, 2 suns. I need another sun, but tomorrow is the 15th and Sunday is the 16th. Well, let's figure those out. If I have 1 sun, 2 suns, what's going to go here? Sun. So I need my 3rd sun. All right, I've got my 3rd sun. What's going to come for my Sunday? Kite. Kite. Exactly right. All right, I'm going to put my kite right there, and then we'll be back here on Monday. Let's take a look at the weather. We predicted sun today. Is it sunny?
Yay!
It's sunny outside. What kind of weather are we going to have tomorrow? Sunny again for our Saturday. That sounds good to me. All right, let's say our alphabet together. Is everybody ready? Let me hear ya.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Wonderful. Counting to 20. Let me hear ya. 1,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
excellent. Counting backwards from 10. Let me hear ya.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6,
Amelia. What is this shape right here?
Square.
Square. All right. Everybody, what is this one?
Diamond.
Not diamond. Octagon. How about this one right here? Triangle. There we go. Thank you, friend. I don't have Mrs. Hill, so I can't DJ as well as when she's here. So I needed you to unmute. Thank you. Friend at home, what is this? What is it? My friend's here. Can you help him out? What is this one? Rectangle. My friend at home, what is it? Rectangle. My friend at home, how about this? What color is sadness? Blue. What color is my chocolate bar? Brown. And what color is anger? Red. Excellent. You go ahead and mute yourself for me. And then my friend's here. What color is my pony?
Pink.
What color is joy?
Yellow.
What color is disgust?
Red.
Excellent. Looking at some numbers. What number is this, everybody? 7. What number is this one? 10. My friend at home, unmute. What number is this one? 5. There you go. What number is this one right here? 4. Awesome. I'm going to give you a hard one now. What number is this? That's 1, friend. What's this one? It's a hard one, I know. Friends in here, can you help them out? What number is this? 10. Friend at home, what is it? 10. Excellent. All right, going on. Our nursery rhyme this week is this old man. There he is. This old man, he played one. He played knick-knack on my thumb. With a knick-knack, paddywhack, give a dog a. This old man came rolling home. It has a basket. All right, what is this? What coin is this? Penny. What is it? Penny. Oops, sorry. All right, we have a penny. What is that word?
1 cent.
1 cent. All right, what is this one?
Dime.
Nickel. What is it? Nickel. Say it for me.
Nickel.
What is a nickel worth?
5 cents.
5 cents. What is that?
Dime.
Dime. What is a dime worth?
10 cents.
Very good. This is a quarter. What is it? Quarter. It's worth 25 cents. All right, these are all the letters we've worked on so far, and today we're building on our own the letter M. What does M say? Mm. Go ahead and get your pieces. We're going to pass them out. Put them at the top, and then we'll tell you when to get started. Bless you. Hands in lap, ma'am. Pieces at the top. At the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start at the top.
Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters, letters, letters at the top. Letters, letters at the top. These are the letters at the top. These are the letters at the top. If you want to start a letter, any letter, letters are started at the top. This is the top, top, top.
No, it's the bottom.
Top, top, top.
No, it's the middle.
It's the top, top, top. It's the top, top, top. These are the letters at the top. Reach up. Way up. It's at the top. It's at the top. Reach out and touch the top.
Go down.
Reach down. Way down. At the bottom. Get to the bottom. Reach down and touch the bottom.
Counting.
1, 2, 3, 4. Top, bottom,
Shade in the middle. Top, bottom, shade in the middle.
top,
Bottom, shade in the middle.
these are the letters at the top. Leaves. These are the letters at the top. These are the letters at the top.
Remember to start it at the top. No, it's the bottom. No, it's the middle. It's the top, top, top. All right, you're gonna head and make the letter M. My friends need to flip it over, not with the model, on your blue side. Yep. Carter, yep. Sorry. Yep, you got it. Make it the letter M.
I did it.
All right, we're sitting quietly. All right. Excellent. Come on, man. All right. Yep.